Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I just got back from Home Depot. I'm really excited. I have the brand new DEWALT 20 volt brushless XR battery operated lawnmower here. I'm really excited to see how it stacks up against a traditional, gas powered motor. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera in closer. We'll unbox it, set it up, then I'll go in the backyard and cut the grass and let's see how it does. All right guys. Okay, I'll go ahead and put the model number up on the screen so you guys know the exact one that I bought. But this one does come with two 10 amp batteries plus two chargers. This retails for $499. Yeah, not bad. Since I'm a DEWALT guy and I have a whole bunch of DEWALT stuff, it'll be nice to make use of the batteries. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, we got this piece here. This looks like two chargers, but I already have a couple of these up on my workstation there. The model number is DCMWSP244U2. And this is what it looks like. 12, 20 volt. So two of those, instruction manual, and it looks like a couple of handle little bolt thingies that we'll go ahead and put these on there. Simple. All right, let's go ahead and check out the rest. Okay, what else do we have here? This looks like the batteries. Okay, two 10 amp batteries like I said, and in case you're wondering, this will work with your 60 volt flex volts. So I have a couple of 9 amp 20 60 volt flex volts, so it's nice to know those will work in here as well. But yeah, they're saying the run time is 60 minutes, and at first I was thinking, okay, that's not going to be enough time. Then I actually looked at the time, how long it takes me to cut my front and back lawn, and total time, even switching the bag, is around 14 minutes. So yeah, I think I'll be okay with 60 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out of there. And we're gonna just lift up on that. Okay, and here's our bag to catch the grass and stuff. We'll set that up. And I think we could just roll this right on out. All right, let's go ahead and set up the grass catcher bag thingy. And yeah, simple enough. You'll just go ahead and move this around and just kind of clip each piece onto there, leaving the handle out for you to grab. So I'm just gonna work my way around. All right, when you're all done, it should resemble something like this, and you're good to go. Remember, leaving the handle right here on the outside, and you'll know you did it right. It says DEWALT the correct way. Okay, let's set up the rest. And then I believe we're gonna pull these, turn it, pull, turn. That way we'll go ahead and unlock it so we can stand it upright. All right, let's go ahead and put this piece on. There's some clips right here where you can go ahead and route the cables through. Simple, easy to do. One there, one there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and line this hole up. This piece here. Put the bolt through from the inside. And then we'll tighten it. Okay, like that. And same thing on the other side. Okay, coming down here, as you can see, there's two holes here, whatever height preference you want it at. So we'll go ahead and push it down. And then once we have our desired level, you'll hear it lock in. Okay, locking them in on both sides, nice and tight. That way when you're using the mower, this big arm won't fold up. Okay, coming around to the front here, here's where you go ahead and lift up and place your batteries. Now, yeah, I do wish this would stay up on its own while you go ahead and pop in the batteries, but no biggie. All right, seems simple enough. Now these are the ones that it came with. As you can see, they're not charged. There's only one light lit up on the battery gauge, but pop both of those in, and it looks like we have a battery gauge here, and it'll be able to tell us how much power we have probably once the mower is on. And like I said, this will fit the 60 volt flex. Let me grab one. Okay. There we go. Now, mine are fully charged. Okay, let's put on the bag. Also, here's, if you're gonna use the mulching feature, you'd lift up, and then this would go right in there, and you'd be good to go. Okay, let's lift up, and go ahead and drop it in there, just like a traditional mower. And it's on nice and snug. Not bad, right? Now, something that I wanted to mention, inside the package, you do have this safety key, all right? And it won't start without this, and it goes right under here. So once that's in, then you can go ahead and be ready to rock and roll. Okay, so once that safety key is inserted, you're gonna go ahead and push down on the button here and pull back. And that's how you get it to go. Also, this is your direct drive here. It's kind of like a gas pedal. You know, the more you pull it, the more the motor will go and push this forward. That way, you don't have to push manually as much. Kind of nice. But anyways, that's how it works. You just hold there, pull here, and you're good to go. Now, I'll be honest, it is a little quieter for sure than my traditional lawnmower. But yeah, not bad. Let's go ahead and see what the little direct drive thing looks like. Okay, there you see the DEWALT self-drive on the right-hand side. Pretty cool. For those of you that don't know what that is, it will turn the wheels in the front and it's like it's driving. You know, kind of cool. Basically, it makes it effortless. All you have to do is just kind of push a little bit back there and the wheels in front will turn. So it's like you're not even having to manually push at all. It's pretty cool. My father-in-law has a lawnmower that has it, and I've been envious ever since. The last lawnmower I bought, gosh, is probably 11 years old. Yeah, pretty crazy, right? And I'll show you the height adjustment on the side over here. All right, so here is the manual height adjustment. Just like every other lawnmower, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces you can go ahead and put it. It's even numbered up here. Okay, same thing in the rear. Okay, and we can go ahead and adjust the rear as well. Usually when I cut my grass, I like leaving it about 3 or 4 inches high. I like a nice dark green thick grass, maybe about 3 inches. And yeah, let's go ahead and turn it over and see what it looks like, that 21-inch blade. Okay, and there's a quick look at the 21.5-inch metal blade. It's not plastic or anything like that. It is actually a metal blade, and the deck, the yellow part, is all metal as well. It's not plastic or composite or anything like that. It is real metal and nice and sturdy. Okay, now let's go ahead and put it in the folding upright position so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and fold it so you can see how to fold it upright. You're just gonna go ahead and pull, twist. Same thing on this side, pull, twist, and go ahead and move it forward. All right, then once you do that, you'll see a hole here and there. Twist it back. You'll hear it lock in. Same thing on the other side, locked in. Remove the bag. Okay, now you just lift up. And you're good to go. You're ready to store it upright. And just wheel it around and you're good. You don't have to worry about oil or gas or anything like that spilling. Here's a better look at that blade. And also, you have your little speed adjustment thing right here for the self-drive. You could have it right here. Nice, out of the way, blends in with the rest of my DEWALT stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and charge the batteries. But since I have the flex volts already in there, let's go cut some grass. All right, you guys, so I just finished cutting my grass. As you see now, the area I cut is 23 by 20. Not a huge amount of grass, but not a teeny tiny amount either. And yeah, as you see, it only probably took me about 10 minutes to cut the grass. So a 60-minute run time is pretty darn good. But my overall thoughts, it's great. I've been waiting for something to come out to where I could definitively get rid of my last gas-powered thing around the house. My edger, my leaf blower, and yeah, as a matter of fact, look, I'll show you. UPS just left and brought my DEWALT 20 volt hedge trimmer. So I got some hedges in front of the house. So yeah, for me, if you're already bleeding the black and yellow, you know, if you got their tools, batteries, all that stuff, this is it. I'm enjoying the self-drive. It's quiet. It's not super stealthy ninja quiet, but it is quieter than the gas-powered motor. But it's nice, I can get rid of my cherry can because I don't need it anymore. I have an electric car. Nothing else I have uses gas except for, I take that back, my pressure washer. Hopefully one day pressure washers will get there and they'll be equivalent to a gas-powered pressure washer because I'd love to switch to a battery-operated one. But yeah, if you're already bleeding black and yellow, you got all the tools, you got all the batteries, all that stuff, this makes sense. It cuts great. I don't notice any difference from it cutting from my gas-powered motor to this one. Yeah, there are no headlights on here. I don't know why people are concerned with headlights. I mean, do you cut your grass at night? I don't. And I think if you did, your neighbors wouldn't even appreciate it. Like, cutting at night, I don't know. That's weird. But anyways, everything about it is great. You could tell it's really well built, that toughness, that DEWALT quality that you know and love. Their warranty is great. It's nice that they include some really strong batteries and you get the chargers with it. I'm very happy. My old lawnmower I had 11 years. Yeah, since 2010, that thing's been hanging in there. Never had an issue. I only hope this DEWALT brings me that same type of quality and years of using it with trouble-free stuff. I also like this little safety key, if you will. You can keep it, take it with you, and then that way no one can use it without you. You don't have to worry about little ones, you know, going around using this and maybe potentially hurting themselves, you know? So that's a good safety feature. But yeah, that's it. Thoughts, everything. I absolutely love it. It's pretty cool. If I had one complaint, it's that this thing doesn't stay open. To me, while you're feeding 2 batteries in or taking them out, it would be nice if it just clicked forward and stayed up so you can handle your business, you know? Holding this up like that's dumb. I don't know. I'll see if I could put some Velcro or something on it so it'll stay up, or I don't know. That's really weird. So that is my only complaint now that I think about it, is I wish that stayed up. But other than that, we're good to go. So if you have any questions or anything, go ahead and ask me. I'll try to answer if I can. Leave it in the comments there. I'll leave a link if you want to buy this, and give me a like and subscribe. I got more stuff. All right, guys.